Hello everyone, welcome to VJ Chemistry. நீங்க நம்ம என்ன டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறோம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆசிட் பேஸ் தியரி. ஓகே, இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஆசிட் பேஸ் தியரியில மூணு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கான்செப்ட். ஒன்னு வந்து அர்னியஸ் ஆசிட் பேஸ், ஹவு டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் அர்னியஸ் பேஸ் அண்ட் பெர்னஸ் லூரி ஆசிட் பேஸ். அதுக்கப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு ஒரு 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 ஆசிட்டோ ஒரு பேஸோ கொடுத்துட்டு என்ன கேட்பாங்கன்னா வாட் இஸ் a conjugated pair and conjugate acid கேட்பாங்க. ஓகே, but three topic we are going to discuss in acid base chemistry. We start with the Arrhenius concept. Okay, please know it's a basic one. Okay, first one, that is called Arrhenius concept. Very simple. Please note. What is acid? According to Arrhenius concept, what is acid? The substance. A substance that give protons. Proton means H plus. That give proton bracket H plus in aqueous, very important aqueous solution. Okay, because Arrhenius series only applicable for aqueous solution. Okay, in aqueous solution, that is called acid. Acid என்னது உங்கள்கிட்ட சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க, அந்த சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் வாட்டர் டிசால்வ் பண்ணும்போது அந்த சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் H plus கொடுத்தா that is called acid. For example, I take HCl. AQ mean aqueous medium. Okay, aqueous medium. It gives what? H plus aqueous, then OHCl minus aqueous, right? Therefore, this gives H plus, right? Therefore, HCl is acid. It's a basic concept. Okay, acid. In case of HCl, next example. In case of HCl, it's a react with water. Now we have to find out in HCl and water which is act as acid. Listen, even H2O is act as acid. The H2O is amorphic character. Is act as base as well as acid. Okay, and HCl is acid. Okay, in the two cases of acid, HCl acid da, H2O acid da. H2O on the acid behave பண்ணு, base behave பண்ணு. Okay, அப்ப இந்த ரெண்டு கேட்டகரியில எது acid behave பண்ணும்? That is called what? Differential effect. அப்ப என்ன மீனிங்னா, இப்போ உங்க HCl இருக்கு வாட்டர் இருக்கும்போது எது வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங் ஆசிடா behave, எது வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங் ஆசிடோ அது புரோட்டானை கொடுக்கும், ரைட்டா இல்லையா? அப்ப எது ஸ்ட்ராங் ஆசிட் இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா HCl strong acid, right? Therefore H plus HCl what? UH plus ion. Therefore this is Cl minus plus H3O plus Cl. You got the point? Okay, this is very important. Okay, note, very important. H plus ion does not exist. H plus ion கிடையாது, does not exist. அது ஃபார்மே ஆகாது, ஓகேவா? அப்ப எப்படி H plus இருக்குன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, in the form of what? H plus in the form of H3O plus ஹைட்ரோனியம் அயனமா இருக்கும். என்னவா இருக்கும்? இஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் ஹைட்ரோனியம் அயான். ப்ளீஸ் நோட், ஹைட்ரோனியம் அயானா எக்ஸிட் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? என்ன ரீசன் ஏன் எக்ஸிட் ஆகுது அப்படி கேட்டீங்கன்னா, the small size of H plus ion. Okay, the H plus have what? The small atomic radius, very small atomic radius. Due to small atomic radius, okay, the H plus can be not exit in the solution. It form of H3O plus இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? அப்ப எந்த ஆசிட் வந்து H plus கொடுக்குற ஆசிட்டா என்ன பண்ணும்? சொல்யூஷன்ல வந்து H plus இருக்கு, எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? H3O plus. ஓகே, இதான் வந்து இது காமன் இது மெக்கானிசம். இந்த ஸ்டெப் புரியுதா? இப்ப HCl அக்வஸ்னா வாட்டர், ரைட்? அக்வஸ் ரியாக்ட் ஆகுது, என்ன ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது? H3O plus இருக்கு, H plus இருக்க முடியாது. இது வந்து புக்ல H plus கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க ஆக்சுவலா, பட் ஆனா எப்படி இருக்கும்? அது H3O plus மட்டும் தான், because H plus small atomic radius, it cannot be exit in the free state. Okay, in free state you get the free state cannot exit. But in case of hydronium ion, the H plus can be exit. Okay, whenever the acid base reaction என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் நம்ம? H3O plus H plus யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, புரியுதா? H plus போட்டா என்ன மீனிங்? அது இன்பில்ட் H3O plus இருக்குன்னு மீனிங், புரியுதா? This H3O plus what? This H3O plus they gives H plus and H2O. This H plus acts as what? Catalyst in the acid catalyst reaction. Okay, this according to what? The Arrhenius basic concept for acid. What about the base? Simple. Okay, what is a base according to Arrhenius concept? A substance that give OH minus, even in aqueous solution. That is called base. Okay, எல்லாமே aqueous solution தான். Not other than, listen, what is aqueous? Water. Non-aqueous other than water. Okay, please note. Key point, note. What is aqueous, sir? Aqua, that is water, right? Aqueous mean water is act as solvent. Water is act as solvent. So what is non-aqueous other than water? For example, ammonia. Non-aqueous அப்படின்னா என்ன? What is non-aqueous அப்படின்னா other than water? Other than water. For example, ammonia, right? Ammonia is what? Good non-aqueous solvent. Very important, please note. Okay. For example, I take NaOH in aqueous state to give Na plus aqueous plus OH minus. Okay, OH minus. The substance is give OH minus is act as what? Base. Okay. This is a common definition for what? Acid-base concept for what? The Arrhenius concept. So what is the limitation, sir? The limitation what? The limitation is what? Aqueous solution. Please note the limitation of Arrhenius theory. The limitation of Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept. What is first limitation? Please note. It is restricted. The restricted to only aqueous solution, right, Alia? To only aqueous solution. In non-aqueous solvent, this theory is not applicable. Okay, only aqueous water தான். Water எப்ப solvent behave பண்ணும்போது தான் the Arrhenius theory is applicable. Non-aqueous solution. Next என்ன கான்செப்ட்னா, இப்போ நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ற HCl சரி NaO சரி, if any acids give H+, அந்த ஆசிட் வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்கா பேஸ் சொல்ல முடியாது, ரைட்டா இல்லையா? யூசிங் திஸ் தியரி இது வச்சு என்ன சொல்ல முடியும்? அப்ப அந்த ஆசிட்ல H+ இருந்துச்சுன்னா H+ கொடுத்த ஆசிட், அப்ப சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் OH மைனஸ் கொடுத்தா பேஸ், அவ்வளவுதான். அப்ப எவ்வளவு OH, எவ்வளவு வந்து டிகிரி ஆஃப் டிசோசியேஷன், எவ்வளவு ஸ்பீடா கொடுக்குது, எவ்வளவு பர்சன்டேஜ் வந்து H+ கொடுக்குது, we do not know, right? This is called, what is second limitation? No explanation about the strong or weak acid and base. Okay, weak acid base. அப்ப கொடுக்குற சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்கா வீக்காம தெரியாது. ஓகேவா? கொடுக்குற சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் H+ கொடுத்த ஆசிட், OH minus கொடுத்த base. Okay, this is Arrhenius concept. Let's go forward. Bornus and Lurie concept. Please note. Next concept Bornus is also very simple one. Bronsted-Lurie concept. Bronsted-Lurie concept. This concept is based on the protons. Only proton. This concept based only what? Only the protons. Okay. Now see the definition for acid. What is acid? Please know, very important point. It is not restricted to aqueous solution. We can use non-aqueous also. Aqueous solution. It's the main feature of this theory. Okay. Now, what is called acid? Acid, according to Bronsted-Lurie concept. Okay. A substance that can transfer of a proton to another substance, okay, transfer of protons to another substance is simply called what? They are the acid, they are proton donor. அப்ப எந்த சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் proton கொடுத்தா அப்ப acid, proton donor. What is proton? We know very well, H+, right? This is acid. What is base? According to Bronsted-Lurie concept, what is base? Please note, same. Okay, a substance that can accept electron, that can accept proton. The substance that can accept a proton from another substance. from another substance. Okay, we call what? They are proton acceptor. They are proton acceptor. Okay, very simple. Okay, what is Bronsted slurry concept na? Or acid na punno H plus kuduta acid, H plus accept panna the base. Very simple. Okay, the proton donor na acid, proton acceptor na the base. Simple. I'm going to give the example now. To start with some example. Okay, if I take HCl, same example, HCl in aqueous solution. Okay, and water, H2O. It gives, listen, the H plus, HCl gives H plus, okay, therefore Cl minus. This H2O can accept the electron. This H2O, H3O plus. But this is proton donor, right? This is a proton donor. Therefore, this acts as acid. This is proton acceptor. So H plus proton acceptor, right? Acceptor. Therefore, it acts as what? Base. Very simple, right? Listen, based on this concept, okay, the new concept can introduce that is called conjugated acid base theory. Okay, in the Bronsted concept based on theory that is called what? Conjugated acid base pair. Please note what is called conjugated. Very important theory. This is very important example. The conjugated acid base pair. Okay, how to find out the conjugated acid base pair? Applying the Bronsted concept. Okay, very simple. Please note. The conjugated acid and base so differ by one proton only now. One proton. I'm going to teach the trick how to find out conjugated acid base pair. Please note a trick. Very simple trick. Example on the conjugated acids ketangana. Please note. Example on the conjugated acids ketangana. Listen, they are asking conjugated acid. Enna pannu? Conjugated acid அப்படினு கேட்டாங்கன்னா, okay, add 1 H plus extra. You got the point? அதே கொஸ்டின்ல வந்து conjugated base கேட்டாங்கன்னா, okay, remove 1 H plus. Okay, that's very simple. Okay, what is a simple? What is a what is a trick? Questionல வந்து conjugated acids கேட்டாங்கன்னா add 1 H plus extra. Conjugated base கேட்டாங்கன்னா remove 1 H plus. That's a very simple. Okay, I'm going to give you the many example based on the conjugated acid base on this slide. Now start the examples. Let's see. In case of HCl, is react with H2O. Okay, 2 gives Cl minus plus H3O plus. Okay, this is acid. You know very well. This is base. The substance give H plus, right? Remove panna the conjugated base. This is conjugated base. The substance or 1 H plus extra add panna conjugated acid la appa H3O plus வந்து this is conjugated acid. Now see, this is acid and base, right? Acid base. Similarly, and base is acid. This is called conjugated acid base pair. இது பேர் என்னது? Conjugated acid base pair. Alright. This also what? The conjugated acid base pair. Now understand, very simple. We are going to give the example. Just see. If HCl கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, they asking what is the conjugated base? என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? H plus remove, அப்ப Cl minus is conjugated base. This is a conjugated base. You got the point? Conjugated base. Similarly, they give H2O. What is conjugated base, students? OH minus. Right? You remove what? 1 H plus ion. In case of NH4 plus. What is the conjugated base? NH3. Okay. They give H2SO4. What is conjugated base? Remove H plus extra, remove one H plus, right? Therefore, HSO4 minus. They are conjugated base. Okay. What about conjugated acid, sir? Add one H plus extra. Similarly, listen. They are asking, so what is the conjugated base for ammonia, sir? What is the conjugated base for ammonia? For example, I take ammonia. What is the conjugated base? How to find a conjugated base? Add H plus extra. Therefore, NH4 plus. This is conjugated acid. What is conjugated acid? Add one H plus extra. Right? Either the conjugated base remove, right? NH2 minus. So this is conjugated base. CB. This is CA. We call CA. What is CA? Conjugated acid. This is conjugated base. I take one more example. H2S. H2S. What is the conjugated acid? Remove one H plus, right? Remove one H plus. Therefore, HS minus. This is conjugated acid. What is conjugated base of HS? What is conjugated? Okay, this conjugated base, right? Why conjugated base? Because we remove one H plus, right? What is the conjugated acid of HS minus H2S? Again, repeat, right? This conjugated acid. Very simple. Question la வந்து conjugated base கேட்டானா H plus remove பண்ணு. Conjugated acid கேட்டானா H plus add பண்ணு. Okay. For example, I take HSO4 minus. இது எடுத்துக்கோ. இந்த HSO4 minus ஓட conjugated acid என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? ஒரு H plus add பண்ணலாமா? என்ன ஆயிரும்? H2SO4. You got the point. Very simple. I give the one more example. Okay, please note. It's a very important point. Please note. I give some important points based on conjugated acid base theory. The first point, the conjugated base of strong acid is weak base. Of a strong acid, the strong acid is a weak base. Very important point. It's a weak base. Listen, the strong acids give the weak conjugated base. Similarly, the conjugated base of a weak acid is a strong base. It's a strong base. Understand? And third point, acid papum. The conjugated acid of strong base is weak acid. Please note. The conjugated acid of a strong base. The strong base is weak acid. And next point. The conjugated acid of weak base is a strong acid. The conjugated acid of a weak base is strong acid. But very simple, okay? The acids give conjugated base. And the acid strong acid and the conjugated base weak இருக்கும். புரியுதா? அதே மாதிரி the base give the conjugated acid. அப்ப அந்த base வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருந்தா அந்த base வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருந்தா form ஆற conjugated acids வந்து weak இருக்கும். It's a very simple trick, okay? I hope you understand. Okay, what is Arrhenius concept? What is Borner-Slury concept? How to find out the conjugated acid base theory? Okay, the based on conjugated acid base theory, one or more few questions can ask in the previous exam. Okay, let's go and check the previous question. Tata, bye bye. Hope you understand this class.